Hi, ladies who are coming to the Destiny Activator workshop tomorrow. I'm so excited to be hosting you, and I'm so excited to see what God will do among us as a small group. I'm trusting it will be an intimate, interactive time tomorrow where we can share our hearts, ask questions. Just a little reminder that please bring pens and pencils and highlighters if you are the person who likes to underline or write in different color pens, or just one pen, it's really fine. And please make sure that you are looking gorgeous. We're going to have a professional photographer coming to take pictures tomorrow and videos of what we'll be doing as a group tomorrow. So make sure you look nice and neat and gorgeous. And I'm not saying go and buy new clothes. So I'm looking forward to hosting you tomorrow. Just a reminder, your 450 rands covers a workbook, covers a light lunch, and a cup of coffee or tea. So ladies, let's have fun and trust that God will speak to us individually and as a group tomorrow. Looking forward to hosting you. Lusanda, your life and business coach.